All right, time to wrap things up with a sweet ending. Yes, that's right. And we have some cake artists back on set, so I'm very, very happy. And this week we have the lady that made one of the best cupcakes I've had in a long time. Her name is Noresha Shairsingh, and she's of Celebration Cakes, and she's here to show us how to decorate these cupcakes.
Yes.
How are you, Noresha?
Good.
Good
Nice
to
see you again.
Yeah, good to see you. So, I'm seeing prettiness. These things always look so complicated.
But they're not.
They're
Trust
not.
me. As long as you have the right tools and just a little skill.
Yeah.
You
So
can
basic
do it.
cupcake, and you can get it all fancy looking like this.
Yes, this is an American buttercream frosting. The main ingredients is Regal icing sugar, and it has to be done to a stiff consistency when you're doing piping flours because you want to get that form. So I have made some beforehand, and I made two colors. So I put part pink on one side of my bag with a palette knife or a spatula, and then I fill the other side with white, so that when I pipe I get that type of variegated color, you know. So
let's see your magic. Let's see you work your magic. Let's see how you get these fancy stuff.
So I'll start with an easy one first, which is like a rosette, like this.
Right.
If you want to do any sort of cake decorating, you should have this tip at home. It's like a large open star tip, and you just start in the middle, go around and work your way out towards the edge, applying constant pressure. So you'll see a little edge there, and I just put a leaf, 2 leaves there. So a little green. You can use your fingers to help it make a point.
That's it.
So this is one.
Wow.
So we are going to finish this bouquet with, as we decorate some more cupcakes. And all I did was use a styrofoam ball, covered it with some green craft paper, and put it on any type of vase that fits at least half of the size of your styrofoam ball. And I stuck 2 toothpicks for each cupcake, where each cupcake has to go. So
it just sticks down. It just sticks down there.
Yeah, attach it.
Oh, and simple like that.
Yeah.
So you could do a couple more.
Yeah, with this same tip, the open star tip, we can do like a hydrangea type flower here.
Right.
So it's just basically squirt all around. So as I said, it's very simple.
Wow, and that's it.
Yeah, you get a hydrangea flower, and you can.
And I can. So I'm decorating. I'm decorating your centerpiece. This is too easy.
So I used these foil cupcake wrappers. So they're a little more sturdy than the paper ones, and they would stay easier on the toothpicks.
Goodness, Noresha, I did it all by myself.
Oh, you went ahead?
I did it all by myself. Noresha, I want to thank you very much for dropping by and putting a sweet ending on the show. One of the great things about all of this is that these cakes actually are edible.
Oh, yes.
And they taste very, very good.
Yes.
So despite all the prettiness and all the art, these cupcakes, Noresha, you make these cupcakes from scratch.
Of course,
yes,
just
Noresha,
for you.
Noresha makes these cupcakes from scratch, and she's going to drop the recipe so you can see how to make a simple cupcake and do these wonderful creative frosting designs. Thank you very much. That's going to do it, folks. I'm going to take a bite into this, and here now is our recipe recap. Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products.